With the Badgr LTI tool, you can integrate Badgr with your organization's instance of Canvas to seamlessly connect your learners' experiences to your digital badging program. In this video, we'll learn how to install the Badgr LTI tool in Canvas. The Badgr LTI tool can be installed at various levels in Canvas, at the root level, sub-account, or course level. The installation process covered in this video is the same for each of these levels. For this video, we're going to take a look at installing the Badgr LTI tool at the course level. The first step is to select Settings from the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Select the Apps tab. Search for Badgr by using the search bar. Select the Badgr LTI tool for your server location. Then click the Add App button. A dialog box will pop up asking for a consumer key and shared secret. To find these, navigate to your Badgr personal account. Select the profile icon in the upper right. Then select Privacy and Security. Select the App Integrations tab. Then select the Canvas LTI button to access your consumer key and shared secret. Copy the consumer key and navigate back to Canvas. Paste the consumer key in the dialog box. Repeat this process for the shared secret. Then, click the Add App button and refresh the page. A new Badges menu option will now appear on the left side course navigation menu. Now that you have successfully installed the Badgr LTI tool, your Badgr organization can leverage Canvas to award badges automatically to learners, track badge earning progress, and as a Badgr Pro user, track pathway progress seamlessly within your Canvas instance.